Howdy ho, bitches. Woo! Fuck yeah. Cheers, big ears. Happy November 2021. End of November. Contrary to popular belief, or rumors, I'm not dead. I've been busy. I've been doing shit. Haven't had time for the YouTube. Things have been going on. More important, more pressing. But I'm here, and I've been doing shit, like I said. Maybe I'll give you a little glimpse of what's been going on. Maybe I won't. But for now, cheers, big ears. Fuck, that's good, eh? Ooh. K3L. Airchime, Nathan. Nathan Airchime K3L. One more. Come on. No? No more. Pork chop. Pork chop. There we go. There's the other one. Fuck yeah. Got a nice rack. Boom. Put your meat on a fucking elevated rack. This ain't gonna take long, bitches. Cheers, big ears. After about a minute, give her a bit of a fucking rotation. Let that go. Flip her. Same fucking deal. Whoa. Pay attention. RTFO, mofos. There is the beer. We'll be back. Fuck yeah. Alright, bitches. Yeah, it's been about, I don't know, 4 minutes, somewhere around there. Cheers, big ears. Time to give her a flipperoo. Sizzle, sizzle, manizzle. Woo! RTFO, mofo. This is going to be probably another 3-4 minutes and we're going inside. We'll meet you back in the house. RTFO. Alright, bitches, there we go. That's how she's looking. There's about, I don't know, somewhere around 10 minutes. Maybe 11, maybe 9, I don't fucking know. No watch today. Some nice fucking Canadian Carling. 4.9% alcohol. Cheers, big ears. Alright, let's cut this bitch open. Fuck yeah. Woo! Pork Chop Tuesday, bitches. Fuck yeah. Tender. Look at that, eh? That's fucking beautiful. Woo! Look at that, eh? Just salt and pepper. Oh my god. That is a beautiful fucking pork chop. Oh my fuck. Well, it also was an $8 pork chop. Wow. My god. That was really fucking good. Gotta thank my butcher friend at the Sobeys for this one. He recommended that. That's a really good chop. Very nice. Do I buy that all the time? Fuck no, I can't afford that shit, man. I'm broke. I got no money. But a treat? Yeah, I've been getting a few treats. Most of them gifts. Fucking $40 steaks and all kinds of goodies. Alright, bitches. Fuck me. Yeah, I was supposed to film me cooking this. And you were supposed to watch that, not watch me eat. Look at that, it's fucking beautiful. Just salt and pepper. That's fucking great. Nice little bit of fat on there. That's fucking perfect. Go and get yourself a nice pork chop. Make it. Eat it. Like it. Film it. Hey, look out! It's been so long since I filmed a video, I'm clumsy now. Well, no, I filmed a video 2 weeks ago. Cheers, big ears. RTFO mofos. We'll see you soon. I don't know when, but I'll be back. And I won't be like a monkey on crack. Woo! Drink up, buttercup. I'm going in for more of this fucking pork chop. Keep your head up, keep your stick on the ice. Keep on rocking in the free world, bitches. RTFO mofos. Woo!